Hi guys, what we have here is a Rapoo Powerbank model S2002-102, and this only costs around 360 pesos in Lazada where I purchased it. And if you want the link, I'll include it on the description below. And what can I say with this power bank? It has a 20,000 milliamp hour battery, and let's try to check what's inside. And actually, I have already opened this one and have tested it, and will give you the result on how it really performed. So for the design itself, it's just a rectangular shaped power bank, a regular power bank, and classic looking, and it doesn't have any bells and whistles with regard to the design. And it have a micro USB for charging it, and for the ports we have two output USB output for charging your device and two input for charging the power bank. And input is a micro USB, if you can see, and the other one is for type C. Okay, for me honestly it's not really that bulky, and it's really good. And okay, for the actual testing, we have tried to drain this battery, fully drain this battery for charging all the other devices that we have. And for the initial full charge that we did, it took us around 10 hours or so. And we tried it again and have it drained and full charge it again, and it took us 12 hours to fully charge. So technically you should allot around 10 to 12 hours in fully charging this device. The devices that we have tried to test and have it charged by this power bank are actually 4 devices. We have the Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.0, which is a 2019 model edition and have a 5,100 mAh of battery, while the Huawei P30 Pro have a 4,200 mAh of battery, while the Samsung Galaxy S8 have a 3,000 mAh of battery, and the Sony Xperia Save 5 only have 2,900 mAh of battery. So all in all, that is 15,200 mAh of battery that needs to be charged by our Rapoo power bank, which have a 20,000 mAh of juice or power. Okay, and the result was already done, and sadly it was not able to fully charge all of those devices. And there are only 3 devices that was fully charged. One is the Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.0. This is the first device that we have tested to charge. The second one is the Huawei P30 Pro. It was fully charged as well, and the Samsung Galaxy S8 is fully charged as well. And when it comes to the Save 5, this is the last device that we have tried to charge, and it only have 80% of battery that was charged by our power bank. Okay, you might be asking, why is that? Because we only have 15,200 mAh of battery that needs to be charged by our power bank, which should be capable, because it is mentioned that it is 20,000 mAh of battery. Because there are actually a lot of factors to consider when you're trying to charge a device from battery or one location to another. There are variables like the wire and other things that I'm not sure of, but I know that one of the factors should be the wires that we use to charge these devices. Okay, for my birdie, is this a good power bank? For me, actually, it's really a good power bank because it is only 360 pesos. And I'll be able to full charge my phone at least 3 times or more. It depends on the devices that I'm trying to charge. And you can also use this as a reserve or as a flashlight or a fan if it's getting hot during a blackout or brownout or a power outage here in the Philippines, because right now it's rainy season. So I believe this will be useful for me. And I think that's all. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, try to press the subscribe button. And if you have questions, try to comment down below, and I might be able to address all the information regarding this product based on my testing. Okay, and for the technical details, I don't have those. It was just for testing these devices. And thank you guys, and have a great day, and keep safe. Bye.